Welcome to the Beginner's Guide on how to buy cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies secured by cryptography. Blockchain technology is the backbone of cryptocurrencies, ensuring transparency and security. Let's explore some popular cryptocurrencies and their benefits. Digital finance offers secure and decentralized financial transactions. Discover how blockchain technology revolutionizes the world of finance. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be a lucrative opportunity for beginners. Learn about different investment strategies and market trends. Security is paramount in cryptocurrency trading to protect your assets. Discover the best practices for securing your cryptocurrency wallets. Understanding the tax implications of cryptocurrency trading is crucial. Learn about reporting requirements and capital gains tax. In conclusion, buying cryptocurrency as a beginner is an exciting journey. Take action now and start your cryptocurrency journey today. Subscribe to our newsletter or visit our website for more information.